A large manufacturing and distribution organization faced a growing challenge. High volumes of battery inspections and warranty claims relied on manual, visual reviews, processes that were time-intensive, subjective, and difficult to scale. As inspection volumes increased, inconsistent defect classification and delayed quality control decisions began impacting efficiency and cost. The organization needed a faster, more accurate way to identify defects from images, both in manufacturing plants and in the field. Inspire Solutions delivered a mobile-first, AI-powered inspection platform designed to modernize the entire process. At the core of the solution was a cross-platform mobile app, enabling inspectors to capture battery images directly from the production floor or field locations. Behind the scenes, Python-based computer vision and AI models analyzed each image, automatically detecting and classifying visible defects with greater consistency and accuracy. API-based backend services processed images in near real time, returning structured defect insights that supported standardized quality assessments and faster warranty validation. The results were immediate and measurable. Reduced manual inspection effort and associated costs. Improved accuracy and consistency in defect identification. Faster quality control decisions and claims validation. The solution also created a scalable foundation for expanding automation across additional inspection workflows. By combining AI, computer vision, and modern mobile technology, Inspire Solutions help transform quality control, cutting costs, boosting accuracy, and enabling real-time precision at scale. Inspire Solutions. Technology is our focus, and quality is our commitment.